This is a video for Year 7 land yacht sales. If you open 2D Design, there's an icon on your desktop. This screen will appear. This is an A3 sheet and each of these dots are a centimetre apart. First of all, you want to open the pre-existing land yacht template. So if you go to File and Open, Computer, move it down until you find Year 7, move down to Technology, and then there's our folder AH711819. The land yacht shell is the only one in there at present. Let's open it. So this is your land yacht sail template. The blue lines represent fold lines and black lines are where the laser cutter will cut your sail out. First thing you need to do on opening the one from the student area is save this into your user area. So back to computer and then look for your surname, open it, and you can save it in any of your folders that you've got saved. So I've got Year 2018, there's my Year 7 folder. I actually already got it in there. If I save it over the top of it, there we go, I've got one saved myself. So I'm not altering the one on the student shared area. Now you've got to design something inside here. Whatever you design needs to be blue because we want it to be an engrave. You could draw clouds if you wanted to. So if you draw some circles and overlap them, we'll have a sort of a cloud shape now. If you go to this tool here called Delete Any, hold it, drag it out and take the second one in. This is a cropping tool which will allow you to remove any of the intersecting lines that you don't want. If you make a mistake, you need to undo it immediately, as the undo function will only work for the last thing that you've done on the computer program. So for instance, if I undo that one, oh no, I've made a mistake. Edit undo, it puts it back, but it cannot undo any more. So only the last thing that you have done. So there's a cloud shape. You can obviously also draw squares, rectangles like this. You can draw circles to precise sizes by inputting radius. So if we wanted to draw a circle which was 15 millimeters, we would have to type in there 75, and that would give us a circle of 50 millimeters. That's too big for our sail, so we don't want one as big as that. So if we get rid of that, we can click on it and cut it and click on it and cut anything that we don't want. We can also go on the internet and use images from the internet. So if we open Google, say for instance I want to do a Disney logo. We go to images. Now this one wouldn't be possible to laser cut. The program would also find this one and this one quite difficult. It would like a black and white outline really. I often find if I type in the word outline afterwards, it gives me a better selection of images that I can use. Right click and copy and paste into the program. You just move this to one side. You can now go to bitmaps. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4th one along at the top. Contour bitmap. It automatically comes up as 5 millimeters. You want to change it to 0. And it's drawn around them. Let's take away the original picture. And there we're left with our logo. So I've decided I don't want the cloud, so I'm going to get rid of it. Let's bring in my logo here. Obviously, in order to use this, we'd have to get the copyright or redesign it ourselves. But this is just to give you an idea of how you can use images off the internet. So there you go, we've recreated a logo there. You could obviously draw your own Walt Disney castle, or you could even draw a princess if your target user was somebody that wanted a princess land yacht. Once you've finished, if you save this into yours, so now I'm going to call this Disney land yacht sale. To send it to the laser cutter, it's File, Export, choose the student shared area, Technology, Our folder. It's a DXF file, this one here, and then I'm going to call this Miss Henry's sale. Now it's ready to be laser cut.